Okay, so a lot of people have asked for a video on factorising by grouping. This is different to normal factorising because, as you can see, we have more than two terms. In fact, we have four in each of these examples. So it's done the same way. So what you're trying to do is eliminate or break the question down into two groups. So for example, if we look at these two sections separately, if we were to factorise this, the common factor is the y. So we can take out the y and we have x plus 4 left over. And then if we factorise this side, the common factor is the 3. So we can take out the 3 and we have x plus 4 left over. We're dividing this out in case you're wondering. Now the symbol was a plus, so a plus goes in there. Now that's the first step, but if you look closely you can see that both of these, the y and the 3, have an x plus 4. So what we can actually do is remove the x plus 4 as its own factor. We can divide it out, so to speak, and what we're left over is with y and 3. So in the other bracket we have y and 3. So if we look at this one, a similar thing can be done. We can kind of split them into two groups, this one and this one. So from the first one we can remove the q. Now we're left with a p and plus, and q divided by q is 1. And then on the other side we can remove the 5, and we're left with p plus, and 5 divided by 5 is 1. Now, we're at the same stage as before, we have p plus 1 in brackets twice. So we can actually remove it, dividing it out, p plus 1 in brackets, and we write down what we're left over. We're left with q and 5. And that's how you do factorising by grouping.